If you struggle with a bowel disease like colitis or Crohn's disease, perhaps you qualify for a Mercy clinical trial. We've got Dr. Kayci Huff-Hardy. She is a Mercy Clinic Digestive Disease specialist joining us this morning. Doctor, thank you so much for finding the time to join us.
Thank you for having me.
Before we get into the clinical trial and the folks that you're looking for, what are some of the issues that people experience with some of these conditions?
So Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis fall under a family of disorders called inflammatory bowel disease. These are autoimmune diseases where your immune system is attacking your GI tract. They affect patients greatly, as you can imagine, because your immune system is on overdrive. It also causes GI symptoms such as cramping, abdominal pain, diarrhea, bloating, blood in the stool. People are oftentimes waking up in the middle of the night to have bowel movements. They also have fatigue from anemia and vitamin deficiencies that they suffer as a result of this.
Terrible. What causes this? Is it environmental or congenital?
Well, we don't fully understand that. There is a genetic component to the cause of inflammatory bowel disease, but just because a family member has it doesn't mean that you will, or you may be the only one in your family that does have the disease. There seems to be a huge environmental factor as well, and we're seeing as other countries begin to westernize more, clean up, introduce fast foods and other things into their diet, they're having a higher incidence of these diseases.
Absolutely. And you've got some clinical trials that are about to start. Tell us about that.
Yes, we are very excited. Treatment for inflammatory bowel disease is evolving very rapidly. It's a very exciting time. We have several drugs in the pipeline right now, and Mercy is about to open a clinical trial both for ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease on a new drug that's not available on the market.
Is this a stage 3 test or stage 2?
It is. It's a stage 3 study.
Stage 3, yeah, that's right. Okay. So who would you want to participate in this study in the St. Louis area?
We are looking for adults, so that means 18 and over, who have moderate to severely active disease, Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. We have a study for both. They can have tried some of the other medications or not have tried some of the more strong medications or biologics. So we're looking for a wide variety of patients right now.
Okay, and I understand we do have a pre-screening number that we get. There it is right there. It is 314-251-8893, or you can send them an email to that address right there if you believe you qualify for that. And Doctor, we thank you for joining us. That's Dr. Kayci Huff-Hardy from Mercy. And once again, if you missed this or you want to tell somebody about it, you can go to our website at fox2now.com and we will link you to all of that information. Also, the Fox 2 mobile app. Thanks again, Doc, and have a good day.